Hi, my name is Genevieve, and I'm a member of the patient support team. Now that you're ready to collect your stool sample, you might be wondering what size the sample needs to be. This is a great question, and it's a common one too. An easy reference point is the bottle of liquid preservative in the kit. Your stool should be no larger than the bottle of preservative. After collecting your stool sample, pour the entire contents of the liquid preservative into the collection container with the stool. It's okay if it doesn't completely cover the sample. Because everyone's bowel movements are different, some people wonder what the minimum size of the stool should be. A single bowel movement is needed to process the test. In other words, if you collect an entire bowel movement, that should be enough. If for any reason the lab has trouble processing your stool sample, we will reach out to you. There is no charge to your insurer until the lab has a valid result, and we are here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.